Hey kids, so today I want to show you what the lines mean on an inch on an imperial tape measure. The lines divide each inch up into fractions. In this case, it's by 1/16. So here we got 1/16 of an inch, then 1/8, then 3/16, then 1/4, then 5/16, then 3/8, then 7/16, then 1/2, then 9/16, then 5/8, then 11/16, 3/4, 13/16, 7/8, and 15/16. Whereas the metric system just counts up, so this would be 44 millimeter, and this would be 51 millimeter. With the imperial system, for this measurement, you'd say 4 and 7/16. This one, you'd say 5 and 1/8. I hope that was helpful for you. Hope you have a great day, and God bless you.